What's up everyone, welcome to BizTech Solutions. It feels like we've been hearing about the Nothing Phone 1 for an eternity, but the much anticipated and heavily teased handset has finally been revealed. The Nothing Phone 1 is one of the year's most anticipated releases. This could be due to the company's viral marketing strategy, which was successful with its first product, the Ear 1 earbuds. Nothing is tightly controlling what we learn about the Phone 1, but as with any hardware launch these days, a few more details will inevitably leak before the official launch event on July 12th. Carl Pei, CEO and co-founder of OnePlus, is also on the case. He's teasing the public with bits and pieces of information about the Nothing Phone, taking control of the conversation about the upcoming device. Was the wait worthwhile? You'll have to wait for our full Nothing Phone 1 review for a definitive answer, but we do now have all the juicy spec details, as well as the release date and price. A 6.55-inch 120Hz screen, a pair of 50MP cameras, up to 12 GB of RAM, and up to 256 GB of storage are among the highlights. However, there's a lot more to it than that. The release date and price of Nothing Phone 1. The Nothing Phone 1 was officially unveiled on July 12th, and it will be available in stores in the United Kingdom, Australia, India, and other countries on July 21st, though it will be available to try at kiosks beginning on July 16th. The United States is not included, but the handset will apparently be released there at a later date. The Nothing Phone 1 is priced at £399/749 Australian dollars, approximately $475. This price is for a model with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It is also available with 8 GB per 256 GB storage for £449/799 Australian dollars, approximately $535, and 12 GB per 256 GB storage for £499/899 Australian dollars, approximately $590. Nothing Phone 1 design. We didn't have to wait for a full announcement to see the back of the Nothing Phone 1 because the company revealed it early. As you can see, it has a partially transparent design in white or black, with only the wireless charging coil and some screws visible. The transparent design is inspired by the Nothing Ear 1, the brand's earbuds with transparent elements. While it's not as completely transparent as we'd hoped, it's a distinct look that's aided by those visible white strips, which light up in different patterns to indicate who's calling, when the phone is charging, or when there are notifications. This is known as the glyph interface, and if you flip your phone upside down so the lights are fully visible, it will put the Nothing Phone 1 into silent mode, allowing you to receive notifications only through the lights. The back of the Nothing Phone 1 is made of Gorilla Glass, while the sides are built of metal. The phone itself measures 159.2 by 75.8 by 8.3 millimeters and weighs 193.5 g. It's also IP53 rated, which means it's dust resistant and should be able to withstand light water sprays, but we wouldn't get this too wet. Nothing Phone 1 display. The Nothing Phone 1 sports a 6.55-inch 1080 by 2400 OLED screen with a variable refresh rate that ranges from 120 Hz to 60 Hz. It offers 402 pixels per inch, a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, and HDR10 Plus support. It has a rather high peak brightness of 1200 nits as well. It can also show 1 billion colors and boasts a 1:0.00000:1 contrast ratio, so on paper it appears to be rather high-end. On paper, the resolution, the lack of curves, and the fact that the refresh rate cannot be reduced below 60 Hz distinguish it as still mid-range. Nothing Phone 1 Nothing operating system. The Nothing Phone 1 runs the Android operating system, but with an interface overlay known as Nothing Operating System. It's intended to provide a personalized experience with different fonts and sounds than other Android phones, for example, but you'll still have full access to all Android apps. We've also been guaranteed that the UI would be fast and seamless, with no bloatware. Nothing, One, phone, camera and battery. The Nothing Phone 1 features a dual-lens camera, which isn't a lot of lenses even for a mid-range phone, but it has a 50MP f/1.88 primary sensor and a 50MP f/2.2 ultra-wide sensor with a 114-degree field of view. The primary sensor has optical image stabilization, OIS. The ultra-wide has a macro mode, and both have extra features, such as a night mode. When needed, the glyph interface lights can also be utilized for lighting. Video may be captured in up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second, including a slow motion option at 120 frames per second. There's also a 16MP f/2.45 front-facing camera. The battery is 4,500 mAh with 33W conventional charging and 15W wireless charging. There is also 5W reverse wireless charging available. The phone is said to last 18 hours on a single charge and can charge to 50% in 30 minutes. The Phone 1 goes on sale on July 21st, 2022 at 7 a.m. British Summer Time, 2 a.m. Eastern Time. Nothing's website will be the primary destination, but the phone will also be available via select carriers and merchants across the world. Nothing will put up a shop kiosk at 7 Dials, Covent Garden, London, from July 16th to July 20th. Unfortunately, the Nothing Phone 1 will not be available in the United States. It will be offered in 40 countries, including the United Kingdom, Europe, Australia, and India. Nothing may deliver the phone to the US at some time in the future, but it is more probable that US residents will have to wait for the Nothing Phone 2. Thank you for your time. Check the description for more up-to-date information, and then click the end screen to learn about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. I'll see you tomorrow.